Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about ways to grow new brain cells. The process of growing new brain cells is called neurogenesis. It occurs in two ways: by converting other cell types into neurons through a process called transdifferentiation. These new neurons can then integrate into existing neural circuits and even replace lost or damaged neurons. There are many factors that can influence neurogenesis, both positively and negatively. In today's video, we will discuss some of the key factors that can help stimulate neurogenesis and potentially improve brain health and cognitive function. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to show your support for our work. Also, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. One of the most important factors that can influence neurogenesis is exercise. Exercise has been shown to have a positive impact on neurogenesis in several studies. For example, a study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry found that rats who exercised had increased levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This is a protein that plays a key role in the growth, development, and survival of neurons. Another study published in the same journal found that mice who ran on a wheel for 6 weeks had more new brain cells in the hippocampus, which is an area of the brain that is important for learning and memory. The researchers believe that the benefits of exercise on neurogenesis may be due to increased blood flow to the brain. So let's take a look at some foods that may help grow new brain cells. Number 1, oily fish are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 help build membranes around each cell in the body, including the brain cells. They can therefore improve the structure of brain cells called neurons. A 2017 study found that people with high levels of omega-3 had increased blood flow in the brain. The researchers also identified a connection between omega-3 levels and better cognition or thinking abilities. These results suggest that eating foods rich in omega-3, such as oily fish, may boost brain function. Examples of oily fish that contain high levels of omega-3 include wild salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, sardines. Number 2, walnuts. Walnuts are high in protein and healthy fats, and one variety of nuts in particular may help with memory. Higher walnut eating was associated with better cognition test scores in case studies. Walnuts are abundant in alpha-linolenic acid, a form of omega-3 fatty acid. Low blood pressure and healthier arteries have been related to diets high in ALA and other omega-3 fatty acids. This is beneficial to both the heart and the brain. Number 3, dark chocolate. As you eat dark chocolate, the helpful nutrients immediately begin to improve blood flow to your brain. These nutrients can boost your working memory and problem-solving skills. They also increase the amount of nitric oxide that is produced by the cells that line the inside of all blood vessels. This nitric oxide has an anti-inflammatory effect. It's best to cook with unsweetened dark chocolate powder because it's packed with helpful flavonoids and has no sugar. Number 4, turmeric. Bright yellow turmeric is a spice, commonly found in Indian curries and mustard, but you can easily add it to any number of dishes. You can sprinkle it into anything you cook, as the flavor is mild, and it blends well with almost all soups and sauces. Turmeric helps remove a specific plaque in the brain that contributes to Alzheimer's disease. But please eat the real spice and avoid the supplements. Only the spice itself has the antioxidant properties that are most effective in boosting brain health. Number 5, avocados. While avocados often get a bad rep because of their high fat content, it's important to note that these green powerhouses are packed with monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower rates of cognitive decline. Containing both vitamin K and folate, avocados help prevent blood clots in the brain, as well as help improve brain functions related to memory and concentration. Number 6, enjoyed by many for breakfast, eggs can be an effective brain food. Eggs, especially the yolks, contain large amounts of choline, which helps in fetal brain development for pregnant women. Choline also is a nutrient essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. Eggs are also one of the most inexpensive sources of protein out there. The high-quality protein in eggs helps support energy levels, which is important for brain function. Be sure you buy organic free-range eggs. They are a good source of the following B vitamins: vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid. In addition to these factors, there are a number of other things that you can do to support neurogenesis. Getting enough sleep, managing stress, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can all help create an environment that is conducive to healthy neurogenesis. It is important to note that while these factors can help stimulate neurogenesis, they are not a cure for any disease or condition. And it is always best to speak to your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.